Hello students, this is Mrs. Jennifer Cruz from Lilavati, Lalji, Dayal, College of Commerce. And in today's class, students, we are going to study Secretarial Practice, chapter number 12, Stock Exchange. Let us first understand the meaning of stock exchange. So students, stock exchange is a specific place where your securities are purchased and sold. If you want to buy the securities, sell the securities, so stock exchange is the best place to do so. So stock market, it acts as a link between the investor and the borrower. It is regulated by the Sebi, that is the Security Exchange Board of India. Now, what is the definition of stock exchange says? So, stock exchange is basically a privately organized market which is used to facilitate trading in securities. Okay. Let us come to the first answer of this chapter, and that is functions of stock exchange. So, the code word to remember this answer is MCPEP LBC P2. Now, what is MCPEP? M stands for mobilization of saving. So students, the stock market, it encourages, okay, the small, the big investors to invest into securities to mobilize their saving in the form of securities. Second, we have capital formation. So your students, the investors, are quite attracted because of the good returns that they get on the investment, okay? They get capital appreciation, okay? So easily they can raise funds, okay, by offering various securities. So basically this stock exchange serves as a tool for capital formation. Third is pricing of security. So here in students, the stock market helps to value the securities on the basis of demand and supply. Next, fourth point, we have economic barometer. So here, the stock exchange, it acts as an economic barometer. Basically, barometer here means here it measures the economic condition of a country because the major changes in the economy, okay, is reflected because of the prices of the shares. So it acts as an economic barometer. Next, we have protecting interest of investors. So basically, the stock exchange, okay, it allows the investors to list only the securities which are, the securities of a sound company. What is sound company? A company which is followed all the laws of the Companies Act. A company which is not in default, a company which is not going to become insolvent very soon. So herein, it protects the interest of investors. Sixth point is liquidity. The stock market, students, basically is a ready market for selling and purchasing of your security. It gives an assurance to the investors that their securities can be converted into cash at any point of time whenever required. Okay, so here the funds are put into productive and profitable use. Okay, next one we can say it contributes to the economic growth. Okay, so the investors, they invest. When will they invest? They will always invest into productive investment projects, right, which in turn will lead to what? The capital formation as well as the economic growth will also increase. Ninth point is talking about providing scope for speculation. So here to ensure, okay, that to ensure liquidity, okay, to ensure that demand or supply of the securities are healthy speculated by the stock market, by the securities market. Okay, last one is promotes the habit of saving and investment. So stock market, as the stock market provides attractive, investment returns to the investors, it promotes the habit of saving and investment into the minds of the investors. So here we have the functions of the stock exchange: MCPEP, LPC, P2. M stands for mobilization of saving, C, capital formation, P, pricing of securities, E, economic barometer, P, protecting the interest of investors, L, liquidity, B, better allocation of capital, C, contributes to economic growth, P2, providing scope for speculation, and the last one is promote the habit of saving and investment. Let us move on to the next answer of this chapter, students, and here we need to study about the Sebi and its function. So what is Sebi? Sebi is Security Exchange Board of India, which was set up, okay, with the objective of promoting the security market, protecting the interest of the investors, and regulating the security market. Basically, it was set up to promote the stock markets that are there and also to work and protect, okay, for the interest of the investors. Let's study the functions of Sebi. First one, it the SEBI protects the interest of the investors in the security markets. It's just one line that you need to write, students, in this answer. Second one, it promotes the development of your security market. Third, it regulates the business of the stock exchange. Fourth, it regulates the working of brokers. Fifth, it regulates the working of venture capital funds. Sixth, we can say it registers the working of the depositories. Okay. Next, it promotes and regulates self-regulatory organizations. Eighth, it prohibits fraudulent trade practices. Ninth, it promotes investors' education fund. And the last one is it prohibits insider trading of securities. So insider trading is prohibited in stock exchange. So these two answers are very important, student. One is the functions of stock exchange and second, the functions of SEBI. With this, we've completed chapter number 12. Thank you.